hear it.
I hear it.
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
So this is Vlogmas day 6, 7. We're on our way to get some stuff. We were gonna go to Hobby Lobby, but it's too late. Even though he's not in school right now, so he doesn't have to, get up in the morning. And we still have to work, but we're gonna go to Burlington because I decided to take some family portraits on Wednesday, I think. So we're gonna take some family portraits. I have to return something that I bought. I bought some blinds for my window. I bought some for my window. We got some, not blinds, shades for my, not shades, curtains for my window. But I bought too many. I didn't know they came in a double pack. So I'm gonna go get my money back because that's what I do. And what else we're gonna do? We're just gonna get some dinner, and I'm gonna go to like Amazing Savings because I decided to cook for Christmas Eve, and we're gonna have a few people over. Not a lot of people, just a few people. So let's go shopping. You wanna go shopping? You wanna go shopping? Are you tired?
No.
You're rude. I'm bothering you?
No.
I love you. Okay. So just finished in Amazing Savings. I got some things for the guests that's coming over. Just like some paper plates and stuff. It is crazy out here. Oh my goodness. Now I'm at Burlington. Can you see my Burlington sign? Where's my Burlington? Burlington. I'm gonna get oh, I forgot to get something from the car. I have to get something I'm taking back. What you said? Yeah, and I'm taking this back. This. That's right. All right. So I'm gonna go take these blinds back, put my mask on, and a lot of people don't know. If you go by the layaway sign, they have an express. I hope this works. Yes, hand sanitizer. They have an express line. So let's go see. Just finished wrapping some more gifts. Came back from Burlington. The baby's in the bed. My husband's in the bed. I'm just gonna show you some of the things that I did to the apartment. Some of the stuff that I updated from my living room, and I gotta show you my new Christmas nails. So let's get into it. To the TV. So we mounted the TV. He got a sound bar. The fireplace is still the same. We took the 2 little trees that were on the floor. We put them up on the mantle. We put our old picture up there from Santaland a few years ago. My baby. His godmommy got him a elf on the shelf with his name on it. And it's our Santa. He's 2 years old. Love him. Fireplace is the same. I lit the little lanterns. Everything there is the same. I did the snow. I put the snow. I love that star. That's about 2 years old as well. I did the fake snow. I don't know how I feel about the snow yet. It's cool so far. I added some more bows around the tree. I got my skirt down there finally because my floor is naked. And these, we finished wrapping all his gifts. It's a shame. I didn't even have to label his gifts because everything under here is his. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like, yeesh. And these are not all his gifts. I don't know if this is good or bad. Anyway, so we got some blinds finally. Well, curtains, I should say. Finally, I know you guys got tired of seeing my AC in the back. So I'm gonna give you the final look-see of the Christmas. I should not be adding nothing else. This is what it is. Oh yeah, and I moved, what is this called? My, oh, getting better, good. I moved my, what is that called? My basket to the right. It was over there. And this is everything, decor, trees, everything. Oh, and I added, this is a gingerbread cookie house that we had. As you can see, all the candy is missing. He's been stealing it. And my little baby's picture, they gave us at his school. And that's the updated look. So, guys, continue to watch, subscribe. And I hope you like this look. Well, my Christmas look.